because it's Wigtober. It's Wigtober. Today, well, first of all, hey, my name is Genovia. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. I said that backwards. Hi, welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Genovia Real, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my shit. I haven't had to say that in a minute. What we're doing is, we got this wig from Temu. It's a brown wig. It is a T-part wig, as you can see here. And we're going to be putting this on our head and hoping that it looks good. So far, right out the pack, the quality is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I got it in a shorter length because I wanted something like right here. So yeah, it's giving that. Let's get right into it. But first, we're going to take off this wig. Hey, it's me, Baldy. It's Glenda the Bald Witch. Specs of the wig: 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable strap that is sewed onto the wig. Of course, it's a T-part wig. We're gonna go ahead and cut the lace off really quick. All right, we are gonna need to tint the lace really quick because it is really light. But so far so good. We're gonna have to cut it and curl it. So it is like a body wave. But we're gonna go ahead and cut the front. We're gonna layer it because it's like really very long in the back. It's just really like, you know? So we need to add some body. We need to add some body. We're using the even lace tint, or tinted lace, or whatever it's called. Looks way better, huh, you guys? And we just gotta glue that down. But we'll do that actually right now because we gonna curl the thing, you heard me? We gonna glue it down, curl it. Oh, let me get the thing. So this is the thing I was talking about, just in case you guys didn't know. That's what I was talking about. I was talking about the wig band. I've been wearing braids for the past 2 months, so my wig install game is a little rusty, musty, crusty, and disgusty. So with that being said, the install might be a little ugly. You feel me? I went on a date with this guy last year. This is before my boo. Last year, and he would end every sentence with like, not every sentence, but most sentences with like, you feel me? I'd be like, ew, no. And I don't want to feel you. Actually, check please. Check please. Oh, this is running down my damn, my damn face. Check please, my nigga. That one that I have, I got it from Shein. And I don't think it works as good as this one does, to be quite honest, if you want to be, if we're being completely honest right now. It sprays out, like that one doesn't spray out, that's the even one. However, I don't like the way that one smells, like the one from Shein, because first of all, it smells like acrylic. I like the thickness of this hair. Let me take these earrings off because they're going to annoy me. Irritate me. They're going to irritate me. Alright. I didn't curl the whole thing because I was getting frustrated. It looks as though the top, like the front, can get a little bump. But the back is like, it's like, oh girl, we don't want to. And that's okay, bitch. Because I don't want to either. I'm about to take a break and try to like fix it or whatever. Bookie Butts is defeated. This was supposed to be a cute little fall fall wig, but it's not coming out the way I want it to. Okay. And my phone keeps cutting off on me, so with that being said, I'll pick you guys up in a minute. All right, y'all. So as you can see, whole outfit change, makeup off, everything. It's the next day. I gave up on this wig because grandma wasn't mad. Grandma was just hurt. I'm hurt. I'm hurting. I was so hurt with this wig. Like, I didn't realize it was just that bad to where it couldn't hold a curl. It was like, bitch, curl for what? So as you can see, I went ahead and just straightened it. This is a straight wig now. Let me know in the comments down below if I should just turn this into like a bob or like a blunt cut. What y'all think? Yeah, this came out completely bone straight. Total turn of events, but we move. This is what it's looking like. I'll put on the screen what inch I got because I don't remember, but I definitely got like it wasn't like a 24, I don't think, but yeah, completely bone straight, y'all. Crazy. Anyway, leave a comment down below what y'all think I should do with it. Should I blunt cut it? Should I leave it how it is and just wear it straight? Should I return it? I already cut it, I already layered it, as you can see. So, and if you're interested in being bamboozled by a wig from Temu, the link is in the description box down below. I didn't, because I took the wig off, I didn't glue it back down because we're gonna do another wig review because it's Wigtober. It's Wigtober. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. It's me installing an old synthetic brown wig just so I can get my fix. Now, this wig I got, I haven't done the baby hairs yet. I just slapped it on. This wig I got back in 2021, 3 years ago, in probably April. The only thing bad about this wig is that we're probably gonna have to cut it because the ends are looking very straggly. However, this is what I was trying to get, y'all. So this clearly became a battle of the browns. This clearly became a battle of the browns. Mind you, this is synthetic. Yes, we're gonna have to cut it. Yes, we're gonna have to add some tender loving care to it because I haven't worn it since 2022, the end of 2022. I haven't worn it, yes. All right, I'm back, y'all. I had to clear out some space because my space ran out on my phone because I don't have a camera. But yeah, to wrap this all up, this is a synthetic wig. I will list what it is below because I do not remember, and the color is Havana Brown or Havana Brown, one of the two. But yeah. This one's a little darker. But that was our a surprise battle of the browns. And we're gonna move on to the next wig. Tune in to the next one. Also, comment, subscribe, let's chit chat, let's laugh in the comments about my failed Temu wig. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching and good night.